Tamarind tree, 5,126 years old. 1 tree, 5 branches, Adisheshan Avadaram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches. The leaves are 24 hours, leaves are open, not for closed. Another all tree after 6 o'clock closed. The leaves are open, not for closed. Birthplace of Nammalvar. Swami Nammalvar, 13 days baby, 16 years hours, 36 years born in the tree. The one not Dividesam Vermont sitting on the leaf. Darshan to Sodagopa Swami, Darshan to Nammalvar. Call me Mupari Utti Dividesam, Ramanujar, Manavala Mamuni, Nammalvar, birthplace, Ramanujar, native place, Sivarambudur. Tambarabharan river, boil the water. First to sage Rabba Ramanujar, second the boiled water of Nammalvar. Navadirupadi, 9th temple, Guru Salam. 108, 49th temple. சலவிருச்சம் புளிய மரம் 5120 உள்ள வாங்க சார் 126 ஆண்டுகள் பூக்கும் காய்க்கும் பழுக்காது இலை உறங்காது சாதாரண பச்சை உள்ள